everybody, it's Ebony at O'Connor Chrysler, and today I'm gonna run you through the 5 steps to becoming a certified Jeep owner, okay? Step number 1, of course, buy a Jeep. We've got plenty here. Step number 2, make sure you name it. Give it a personality. Make an Instagram account for it. This here is a Rubicon. I've named her Ruby. I think that's fairly fitting. Account name, Ruby or Rubicon, and create account. Number 3, make sure that you take the Jeep wave seriously. When you're driving down the road and somebody lifts up their hand to give you the Jeep wave, you better wave back, and you gotta get used to it. Driving down the road in my Jeep, beep, beep. Gonna drive up the mountain. Oh hey, a fellow Jeep driver. Got to do the Jeep wave. They didn't Jeep wave back! That is so rude. Number 4, upgrade, upgrade, upgrade. Okay, the tires, the wheels, the lift, the winch, the everything. Upgrade that bad boy. And number 5, take it off-roading and get it dirty. Don't keep it on the pavement. Have some fun. Go up a mountain, find a lake. You won't regret it. And that is the 5 steps to becoming a Jeep owner. You won't regret it. If you want to come and take a look at our inventory, like I said, we've got plenty here. My name's Ebony, and at O'Connor Chrysler, everything we do is driven by you.